Hey, welcome to the video. Doing a Lion & Post unboxing today. This is actually only my second Lion & Post I've ever gotten. Just one time before, there was a sweater that I wanted that was on sale, and I just ordered that sweater. Loved it, kept it. That was my entire Lion & Post experience, but they are closing and changing the way they're doing business, so everything's on sale. So I thought I'd go ahead and order one more box and check out a couple of the things. Of course, everything that was the most expensive is what came up to send to me. Everything else is waitlisted. So there's just 3 things in this box, so it'll be a super fast video, but we'll get into it. The box is always really pretty. It says, "You have great style. I'm loving the cape. I hope you love it as much as I do." So here is my lovely package. There is a white item in here, so that may not show up so well on camera. And then I got the beautiful kind of kimono cape. I don't own any kimonos. I did go to Target once and try on like every single kimono they had in Target, and I didn't like them. I didn't like them on me. But this one that came today from Lion & Post, I think Kathy, you got this in an unboxing, and I just thought it was so pretty. And so I thought since I was getting a box, I would have them send it to me. So this is it. It is Moo, Show Me Your Moo, which is an expensive brand. And this is what it looks like. And I love 70s. I love 70s. So it's just the 3/4 length, and it's full length all the way down. And I'm 5'2", so we'll see how this works out on me. And obviously it clashes with the shirt I've got on. They had it with a white t-shirt and jeans, which I'll try it with that. But I was just wondering if you could wear it with just like a bodycon black dress, or I don't know. I'm gonna try it a couple different ways for us real quick. Secondly, I got this super soft, this is out of season, but that's okay because it'll get cold again. Joan Brown. It's a one size, it's a ribbed long sleeve shirt. So it's just a V-neck. You can tell it's pretty thin. That super soft material. Kind of got the ribbing. You can see that well there. Just long, kind of raw hem. So can't remember how much this is. I'll put all the prices in the description box. Ooh, this is prettier than it looked in the picture. So this is that brand Joie, Woo, it's blowing out. Lion & Post like that. I've always said it Joey. I'm not sure if you say it that way or not. I've only owned one other thing by her, and I don't know how I'm gonna, there you go. You can kind of see it's got a lot of pretty embroidery and a romantic blouse. And then it's got some detailing on the front with little beads. This is beading and embroidery, and I'm not sure how well this will show up. Definitely not a kind of shirt you probably want to film in, but I just thought it looked romantic and kind of Renaissance fair and all that kind of good stuff, and it's just really pretty. So I thought I'd give that a try. So those are my 3 pieces. Stay tuned, I'll see what they look like. First is the Joey romantic white blouse. You can see the detail, it's just gorgeous. The detail just doesn't show up even that well on the camera, but I just think it's a very fun, unique, very awesome investment. It's definitely an investment piece, so I don't know that I can afford to invest in it right now, but it's certainly fun trying it. I just think it's gorgeous. Okay, next is the Show Me Your Moo kimono cape, they call this, and I'm super sad, y'all, because it is super long. If this fit, the second I put it on, I just love it. I love the pattern, I love the little colors and all of this, but I have to really show, I put it on with some pretty good heels too. Oops. I'm gonna step on it because look, it's like so long. You can see it's like just sadly way too long. I am 5'2", so I'm not very tall, but it's expensive. So even on sale, it's still like $78. So, but I think I love it so much. Look, it has a cool slit. If you're taller, order this. This is amazing. An amazing, fun piece. And I really think you can do a lot of stuff with it to be fun. So I'm happy to show it to you, but sadly it's not me. Okay, last is the Joah brown, one size. So it is oversized a little bit, but it's kind of ribbed and pulls in fitted. So I like this. This is super comfortable. I like the coloring on it. It's kind of like a mineral wash. It's not quite as sheer. I'm actually not wearing my cami on under this because it's pretty boat necked. You could even wear a little bralette and have it be off the shoulder. It's on sale for $48, so still not inexpensive, but if nothing works in my Stitch Fix box tomorrow, it could be a possibility. So, okay, so final thoughts. I love this Duran cape. I looked to try to see if I could even have it altered because I just love it that much, but this is at the bottom, this pattern, and if you shortened it, I guess you could come maybe halfway, or it would just be challenging. So I will sleep on it, but most likely I just gotta let it go, y'all. Some things you gotta let go. So that was $79.38. The what they call the porcelain metta white blouse that blows out my camera, sorry about that, is $80.64, which is high, but that's a super high-end brand, an investment piece that I would have for a long time, because maybe it's a little trendy with the sleeves, but I think it's kind of classic. And then the Joah brown is $48.30, which is comparable to what I pay at Stitch Fix and Trendsend, and I've bought some of other things that are kind of similar to this that I really love and wear a lot, and I think I would get a lot of use out of this. So it just depends on my budget. I had a posting yesterday for a Nordstrom haul, and then I will receive my Stitch Fix tomorrow, and then we'll see what comes out as the winners. If life were perfect, I would get more than I probably should or could, but you know what? We get to be blessed sometimes to have a couple new items that are just fantastic. Again, I wish that Duran cape fit, and I'm still loving those sandals from yesterday. So I have good taste. That's what I'm going to go with. We're going to go with that. So let me know what you think, and I look forward to hearing your comments. If you like these videos and don't want to miss out on the next one, please hit the red subscribe or the notification bell and come along on my little obsessed journey that I just have a great time. I love watching other people's unboxings. I love sharing the journey. So I am honored that you would spend a few minutes and watch mine. So thank you so much. Appreciate it. Have a great day.